Hi, welcome to Viva Lambda. This is Kem speaking. This video is a part of a series about built-in functions and statements in Python. Today we are going to briefly cover map function. It is a higher order function, that is a function that takes a function as its argument. Haskell people are all over it, and there's a good reason for that. When do we use it? We use a map function when we have a collection and we want to apply a certain function to all of its elements. How do we use it? We simply take a function that takes a single argument and apply it to a container. The argument function is evaluated for each element, and like its cousin filter, we obtain a generator promising the results of its evaluation. I will explain what generators are in another video, and if you wonder about how filter function works, you can check it out by clicking to the box at the top right corner. Here in our example, we see a function called fn, which returns the square of its argument. As you can see from its signature, it takes a single argument. We apply it at line 5, then we start iterating over the resulting elements using a for statement. If you don't know how for statement works, click on the box at its right to go to the video explaining it. So this is it about how map function works in Python. Please do tell in comments in which context you use map function in real code. I mostly see list comprehensions used for applying functions over lists. So what's your take on that? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.